Hello, this is Bay Area BMX. My name is Brendan, and this is my 2016 bike check. I have ODI super soft grips with ODI bar ends, Kink Wolf bars, Odyssey Elementary version 3 stem, Odyssey headset, Shadow Conspiracy captive forks, complete Primo front wheel with the N4FL hub, Primo 7 series rims, and built-in hub guards that come with the wheel. Rocking a Shadow Conspiracy Strata tire in the front, the first version by Ramon Baracco. Stolen Thermalite front peg. S&M BTM in trans gold. Mike Hooter's signature frame. Odyssey wrenches tripod seat. And the Odyssey tripod seat post. Rocking Kink Scenic pedals and profile cranks. Tree bicycle sprocket 25 tooth. Simple KMC chain. In the rear I got another Primo complete wheel, Primo Remix hub, another Primo 7 series rims, stolen Thermalite rear peg, and a Primo hub guard for the Remix hub, and a Shadow Conspiracy Strata version 2 tire. A little bit beefier and grippy. And that is my 2016 BMX Bike Check. More videos to come. Thanks for watching.